Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. But I thought, I don't know what other video to do because we're not going out. I'm going to do a house tour video. It's a bit random, and the garden, mind the cat there, it's not looking great, so I'm going to clean some of it up because this isn't our main, well no, it is our main house, but like we live in England, but when we come we probably own this, so I'm just going to give a little tour on the garden first. I'm just going to walk around. Also going to show you at night when all the lights are up and ready. This is where we have washing. Nothing special really, but we've got lots of plants. This is the back door. Also, you notice lots of houses have these little things in their door, and as well, very much different windows. They like have a culture here where all the houses are like very different than England. You see, and the houses are painted white because it gets really hot. But yeah, we've got loads of cats out here. Right, I don't know if you can see, but this was my dad's house when he was young, because I'm half from Tunisia, half from England, so we come here. But I've got a cousin too, but I'm gonna show you the inside now, I think. Oh, I also got these ladybugs and bee that look really nice. But today I'm going to be giving the garden a clean as well. And so, got these for you. We've got lots of mosquitoes here, and sometimes we like the door open because it gets really hot. Well, not just because of that, just I don't know. So this stops them. You just go through, open the door, and then usually just push it and it just goes back. But yeah. Okay, I'm gonna flip the camera now, but yeah, I'm gonna flip it really quick. Okay. This is my mum and dad's bedroom. You can see it looks really nice. So we'll put like a pink and grey theme. A little elf. We've also got the TV here with these grey curtains and stuff. These little drawers and loads of stuff from home. And obviously some Tunisian touches. And I think these also are really nice.
You should show the ceilings at.
Oh yeah,
It's Tunisian style home, but Indian twist.
yeah, yeah.
Lucky from your granddad. Yeah.
The door, like
Unique design.
got a little table area here, which we just have loads of stuff put. But we've also got like, it's hard to explain this wall, but it's, I don't know if you've seen stuff like that. Oh yeah.
Good work today. Don't get these.
I know, the lights, they stop, they work.
Show them the little roof.
Yeah, this one I think is actually my favourite. I've got a whole wall of them comparing roofs.
Yes.
But this, let me show you from the hallway when you walk in. Got the bathroom, other bedroom, and this bed will sit this.
You're not going to show them.
No, I am. I'm just showing like the hallway and way, and then the living room. So I'm probably going to start. This one, we're getting a sofa this year, but we also have a bed here because we've got other people. My sister and stuff that will sleep here when they come, because 2 of them are coming tomorrow.
No, it's changing a bit now, Zach. So Lily's going to stay with Gia. So this way we can clear it all out and get the new sofa and TV. It's a bit of a jump from at the minute.
I'll be getting a new TV, or I'll just put the TV in there.
I want to get a new one, so we've got one in there as well. Yeah.
Do you want me to like show you? But I can do the smiley face that you asked for this video. Then this is the one. Yes.
Who you are? I'm not sure.
Hello. Well, that's the mirror, and then sink, toilet. Got some like elephant. Favourite animal. As you notice, you'll probably see lots of elephants and stuff around the house.
I do love my elephants.
Yeah. And then,
this one's going to change as well.
yeah, this is the kitchen. This is my dad's like mini collection that he does. It's kept here. Just normal kitchen, really.
It doesn't zoom in too much, Zach.
It doesn't really matter. We've only just moved in, really. Yeah, well, you always owned it, but
We've always owned it, but we rented it out. So now we're making it our home again.
I want to show them every piece. Don't be lying. It's not bad. You're changing it. They can see that you've been cleaning from the cleaning stuff.
No one ever listens to this now.
Yeah, it's okay.
God, so. Maybe that one.
Yeah. This is gonna be other sister's bed, and then this one's mine.
And then there's going to be some units, different furniture going in here. And the most thing that we've got that's helped us this year is the aircon.
Definitely.
Because the aircon, it's been really hot out here.
Yeah, with all these wardrobes. As I showed you, this is what the inside when you look at the different windows here. Showed the outside, but you like it. If you want to open it, you can open it.
Video? Can I open it?
1 minute. Oh, I don't know if this one's the best one.
Here's how I'll do it.
It's like jammed, or I'm doing it the wrong way. Oh.
There.
And then you can just push them to the side. Like, I'm not going to do all, but you just... Shut it completely and then...
Close it now.
Yeah, so no mosquitoes come.
Yeah, we don't like mosquitoes. Come away.
But now I think I'm going to do a bit of the cleaning. Yeah, the cleaning. I'm going to do some cleaning like outside for a bit. I'm going to put it on time lapse. And then later I'll show you the garden when it's night and all lit up. But, you know, place the phone somewhere. Wait, let me do a little test. Okay, I'm gonna find a place. Taking an example. Just gonna randomly skip the time lapse. But Okay, I'm gonna shut the door and maybe lean on the door. Okay. Okay, I think this is gonna be good. Well, the best we can get. Yeah, and then I'll show you what it looks like after saying. Yeah. Time out. Okay, this is what I've got so far. Okay. But this is going to take a while. But hopefully it all goes well. So, see you in a minute. Yeah. I'm really angry. I just wanted to say something. I wasn't even recording my time lapse. I obviously recorded some that you've just seen, but I'll show you what I was doing. So, I told you that I finished with it. And you can't see what it was like before, but I cleaned it up, all the edges. I decided I'm just going to do that because I want to do something in a minute before it gets dark. So this is what we've got now. And I'm just going to push it all up into there, so I should know that it saves this time. But yeah. So okay, I finished. That took like forever, but in slow-mo it looks so quick. But that's what I've done, but I've decided I'm not going to do all of it because it's getting dark and I want to do something before, like to show you the before and after of the lights. So I'm just going to hope I can edit this well, because yeah, okay. I'm going to move this chair so I can lean. Okay, you know what, no. We're going to do this an easier one. Okay. So I'm going to flip the camera on. Okay, so the light, hopefully, if I can edit, I'm going to turn on and it's going to be dark. Wait, this one's not on for some reason. Don't know why it's not working, but this is what it looks like. It was working earlier, but oh, it looks nice. Yep, but I'm just gonna move and I'm just gonna go inside really quick. That's the end of the video. I'm gonna end it here. But I hope you enjoyed, but that's about all for today. So if you can hear background noise, I'm just on the phone. But yeah, so that was about it. So I'll see you in the next random video. Bye.